Hello friends, this video is about a quick update that has been received from Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada about important new measures on post-graduation work permit eligibility for students beginning programs online. I'll quickly take you to this website of IRCC, and this page has been updated on August 26, 2020. Now, just to give you a background, a lot of international students had this fear and uncertainty about whether they will be eligible for the postgraduate work permit or not. If you are in your home country studying or are planning to start, it is a good news for you. IRCC has come out with 3 very good points, in my opinion, for the benefit of international students. So I'll just quickly update you about all those 3 points and give you my opinions as well. I think, in my opinion, all of these points are in the favor of international students, and you should be a happy face at the end of the video. So the first point says, students may now study online from abroad until April 30th, 2021 with no time deducted from the length of a future post-graduation work permit, provided 50% of their program of study is eventually completed in Canada. Now what this means is, let's say for example you start your program in September 2020 and until April 30th, 2021 you will be finishing approximately 2 semesters. That will be 8 months, and usually the programs are for 16 months, 8 months plus 8 months. So that will cover your first year, which is 50% of the program, and the next 50% you will have to complete in Canada. So there is a relaxation. Earlier this date was not announced. Now you have an extended period of time in which you can take online classes in your home country. So this is a good news. I'll come back to this point again after explaining the next 2 points. So let's say you start a program in September 2020. Until April 30th, 2021, you will have finished 50% of the program, and then you will have to go to Canada to complete the rest of the study. In the next example, let's say your program is for 3 years, which is usually an advanced diploma. So 2 years will still be left for you after April 30th, 2021 to complete that part in Canada, and you will still fall under this category. In my next example, let's say you opted for a bachelor's degree. You will still be eligible under this category because almost 3 years will still be left after April 30th, 2021. And my final 2 examples are for postgraduate students who were going for a graduate diploma or a postgraduate diploma or a master's degree if its length was more than 1 year, 16 months or 2 years. Again, just like undergraduate diploma students, they will still have 1 year left to be completed in Canada. So this covers all of the possible scenarios. I'll come back to this point again just in a minute. Now I come to my next point. Let me read it. Students who have enrolled in the program that is between 8 and 12 months in length with a start date from May to September 2020 will be able to complete their entire program online from abroad and still be eligible for a post-graduation work permit. Now this specifically addresses the postgraduate students and the undergraduate certificate program students. Now, not many undergraduate students opt for a certificate program from abroad, but there are cases, yes, people do opt for these programs. But more importantly, I think postgraduate students should be happy, because usually postgraduate diplomas, post-diplomas, post-baccalaureate diplomas, master's degrees, and the graduate certificates, they usually are of 8 months to 12 months in length. Now these students were very scared because they were uncertain that they'll be taking all of their online classes in their home country, and they were very insecure about what was yet to come in respect of postgraduate work permit. Now it is a good news for them. You should be happy now, because even if you complete the entire program from your home country, you will still be eligible for a postgraduate work permit afterwards. The third point says, students who have enrolled in the program with a start date from May to September 2020 and study online up to April 30th, 2021 and who graduate from more than one eligible program of study may be eligible to combine the length of their programs of study when they apply for a post-graduation work permit in the future, as long as 50% of their total studies are completed in Canada. And we see this usually in case of postgraduate students, where they combine 2 or more graduate certificates or postgraduate diplomas, which are of 8 months each, or they combine it with an undergraduate diploma in order to increase the length of their postgraduate work permit. So let's say you complete one program in your home country, one full program in your home country. The second point here covers you, and then you go to Canada and complete another program. Then you will be eligible for a 2-year work permit, as is the usual case. So this is again a good clarification from IRCC. Now I come back to my first point again. If you see here, what do you make out from this? Well, these students were very afraid and very scared about what was going to happen. But as we know, that time and again Canada has cooperated in every way to accommodate international students, and they are very concerned about the welfare of the international students. So they are giving away this postgraduate work permit even if you complete the whole study online. Now, just in the worst case scenario, if until April 30th, 2021 also the situation does not come under control, this COVID-19 situation does not come under control, what do you think? What are they going to do? Are they just going to stop everyone from applying for postgraduate work permit? No, I think this is enough evidence that they will still accommodate international students. They will still be concerned about the welfare of international students. And you can also see here, last line, the easing of COVID-19 related restrictions will depend on the progress made in Canada and around the world in containing the spread of the coronavirus. IRCC will closely monitor the situation and assess whether further changes are needed. So clearly they are in favor of international students, and they will introduce new changes in the welfare of international students if need be. Now, one very important thing is that in order to be considered under these points, you must have submitted a study permit application before starting a program in the spring, summer, or the fall 2020 or the January 2021 semester. And obviously, you must eventually be approved for a study permit. That's normal. And I hope you will like the video and share it with your friends. Do let me know in the comments what your questions are, and I will try to answer them. If you are aspiring to go to Canada or are already in Canada, this channel is for you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. There are lots of wonderful videos coming out in future. That's it for this video. See you in the next video.